Holla.
Welcome back to another tutorial. It's me, Briana Marie. Today's video, I am going to be doing this bomb inspo look. My look was inspo by SG Makeup, so it looks like this, and this is what I tried to do. I think it came out nice. It came out just like hers a little bit. I could have added a little bit more black to it. But anyways, I don't want to keep you long. Plus, I don't want to keep myself long because I want to go to sleep. But I'm back, y'all. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Hey, dolls. I'm back with another video. I already did my eyebrows. So, I shaped up my eyebrows off camera because they weren't arched. So, I just clipped them up. I arching them, plucking them, and also scissoring them, which made them look a lot better because the eyebrow hairs can get long, and I like my eyebrow hair small. Put on the lid is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Okay, so this is MAC Melon Pigment. This is pretty gold shadow that I just put on the brow bone. Every time I use this, I fall in love. But I haven't brought it back out ever since. I don't know when, but I know I haven't used it in a minute. But I'm just going to put this right on the brow bone. And to get precisely on the brow bone area, I use my I use my Morphe 212 brush. First shade that I'm going in with. Also, another thing to note, when doing your brow bone highlight, you always want to drag it down. So that when you put your next transition down, it'll blend directly into the brow bone color. So, the next shade that I'm going to go in with is out of this Juvias Place palette, and it's this yellow. It seems like yellow is everybody's favorite transition, and also orange. And I'm going to take my Morphe 504. You already know this brush. If I'm not using the BH Cosmetics brush, I'm using the Morphe 504. First place when I picked her because she named it before anybody else, even before Josh wrote in the comments somebody sent that. So I'm pretty sure anybody did they Google search or anything, but it doesn't matter how you did it. I just want to know if you all knew her middle name, you know what I'm saying? But it would be fun if somebody had guessed it instead of going to search, you know what I'm saying? I reached out to her, I got her address, and then the second and third place winners will be announced on March 1st, so just keep on watching for that. It's all how you blend it. Mix these two together. This is out of the Makeupaddiction Flaming Love palette. And y'all know it's new because I did recently get a big package from Makeupaddiction Cosmetics. I will do a review for you dolls if I'm still up by tonight, or I will probably do one in the morning, you know, because you're just seeing my hands. So I will swatch all the colors. If you would like to order from them, I will leave it in the description down below. We're not taking the R37. We're going to simply take the 441 because it's going to diffuse. I mean, it's going to pack more color on, and we're only using 3 colors for the transition today. So I'm going a little higher only because my lids, the cut I do is right here. So if I do it right here, you're not going to be able to see the brown. So I'm just going to go a little bit above. Okay, so y'all already know I'm adding black. So y'all already know I'm adding black. I'm going to take my Morphe 3502. That's the blackest of the blacks that I have. And this black is really pigmented. And then we're going to switch it up with the brushes. So we're going to switch it from Morphe to a MAC 221 brush. And this is a brush to get precisely in the crease. For you all who are just starting out and trying to use black, I suggest not to go so crazy at first. Like, use a little bit as you go. Don't pack on as much because you'll be scared and probably be like, oh, I don't know how to blend it out. Help. And if y'all want more looks and color combos, please list some color combos down below. I might pick one of you all's color combos, like every time I do a tutorial, or every Thursday I do a tutorial. I will pick one of you all's color combos and I will do an eye look with. Take my 22T brush by Inglot. It looks like this one. I've been using this one lately to cut the crease. I consider myself a hooded eyelid girl because this part goes over the eyelid. Going a little bit faster than I expected today. Only reason I'm holding my eyes like this or my head back a little bit is because I'm still trying to wait for this concealer to dry. It's other girl pro concealer, so this concealer does dry kind of quick. Going to my Juvias Place palette, which is the Zulu palette, and I'm going to take this shimmer shade right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of my glue and put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to put the sparklers. Okay, this is how it looks. I'm gonna go in with my Inglot gel liner, and then I'm gonna go in with my what is this? So Eva wing liner brush. Why didn't you? Y'all, this eyeliner came out so cute. Oh my god. Don't win being tight. I applied my lashes, y'all. The lashes that I use are Miya Murkin lashes, and they go so bomb with this look. I'm about to add these gold drops, and then the foundation that I will be using is this combo that I love, absolutely love. These two together, the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and then also the Double Wear Stay in Place foundation from Estee Lauder. Now that I'm done blending out the highlighter and also the cream contour, I did also set my face with Laura Mercier translucent medium deep powder, and then I also set my whole face with dark deep by MAC Mineralize Skinfinish powder. I'm about to bronze up my skin real quick. I'm going to use my Covergirl bronzer. You already know this is one of my faves. I'm going to take my Scandinavia. I had to put, I feel like it's leaking all the way though. Duct tape is not going to work. Kandy Kraze Cosmetics highlighter, and it looks like this. But I'm also going to add Fantastic underneath first. I'm going to take this blush called La Femme from La Femme Blushes. I'm just going to pat that on there, right in between the contour. For underneath the eyes, I just smoked it out to make it look a little bit smaller, using my Inglot Gel Liner number 77. So I did my eyebrows off camera, the front of them. I'm about to go in with Chestnut by MAC. It's the lip liner. And then I'm going to go in with Give Me Glow liquid lipstick in the shade Whiskey and Honey. And I might go in with Chloe Dollar Sign. Be right back. I'm about to go put on my wig and get dressed, and I'll meet you guys in the intro. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.